At Huawei, we continue to dare to dream for a bright future together, and we continue to strive forward on the goals of bettering everyday life through meaningful innovations. If you look back, in every generation of Huawei Mate series, we are leading on a long battery life, super fast charging, and large screen. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Huawei Mate 40 series, Mate 40, Mate 40 Pro. For Huawei, our commitment to continue to innovate, to give the best technology, the best innovation, to improve human beings' life, to make your life better, to make your work have more efficiency. Our commitment is always with you. Thank you.